We all have to head to the bomb shelter. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I just got a concussion.
Yeah.
Yeah, now lick your nose.
Forehead gang.
Forehead gang.
Yes.
Forehead gang.
This is the best.
Wait. I can't see. Baby shark. I don't like it. Baby shark. Baby shark. Mommy shark.
I don't get much from like
Mommy shark.
but like when you explain like how
Daddy shark is nowhere to be seen. Daddy shark is nowhere to be seen. Daddy shark is nowhere to be seen.
Because he got the milk.
Grandma shark is drowning in the rain. Grandma shark is drowning in the rain. Grandma shark is drowning in the rain.
And crashes into a Chinese lady.
Grandpa shark done crashed into the Chinese lady. Grandpa shark done crashed into the Chinese lady. Grandpa shark done crashed into the Chinese lady. Grandpa shark.
We're all gonna die.
Great grandma shark
Is dead.
The bus. Grandpa wait. Great grandma
Shark is dead.
The bus. Great grandma shark is driving the bus. Great grandma shark.
Great green boards and bingles.
Great grandpa shark is in the trash can. Grandpa shark is in the trash can. Great grandma shark is in the trash can. Great grandpa shark.
Yeah.
That was my song. That was my song. That was my song. That's my song.
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Window's leaking.
Let me see.
We're taking on water. We're taking on water.
Oh my gosh.
We're taking on water.
Oh my god. Bro, this might be like the best bus ride ever.
Turn it to magic school bus. School bus, school bus. Yeah. We're taking on water. He's drowning. Look.
he's raining, he's pouring.
Look at the guy. He's drowning. He's drowning out there. Look at the skeleton man. He's drowning over there. He's drowning.
No! He's drowning! Someone...
R.I.P. R.I.P.
Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thoughts and prayers are being sent.
Lots of prayers are being sent. Have been sent to the Megadeth guy.
Skeleton man is drowning in the rain.
Skeleton man is driving
in the rain. Skeleton man is drowning in the rain. Skeleton man.
Yeah!
We're cooked. We can't even see outside. We're gonna drown outside in the rain. We're gonna drown outside in the rain. We're gonna drown outside in the rain.
Right, Macy?
No, I'm still here. I'm still
Oh.
here so he can actually see me.
Oh, okay.
We are going to have to swim home. We are going to have to swim.
I have to go to the
We are
basement.
going to have to swim home. We're gonna have to swim.
Yeah!
After running all the way
It's
down,
amazing! I think cost is
I got
like...
my Converse on.
You got your Converse? I knew it was gonna rain, so
I'm hoping my brother's awake, so I'm gonna knock on the door first.
Hey Macy, I put on my Walmart shoes because I knew it was gonna rain.
Oh no! Wait, I think you're...
Hey, this is a free shower.
Free showers? Free shower? No, I'm not going out.
Free shower.
Did you know that Christmas is in 3 showers? Christmas is in 3 showers.
This is not a free
3
shower.
showers a month?
This is not a free shower. Not a free shower. Not a free shower.
Yeah.
This water's really dirty. Really dirty. Dirty. Really dirty. Yeah. I've been singing Baby Shark.
Alright, I'm gonna move to the next seat and I'll be right back.
Yeah. I think great shit. Mama, I don't want to die. Mama, girl. Mama, do I need to go right now? This is where I go to the best. I can't. Oh, yeah, we're cooked. Okay. I just saw lightning. If you make yourself cook.
And I need back up. Oh, it's mirrored.
Alright, he's so dead.
R.I.P. R.I.P. Go, Micah! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Micah!
R.I.P. Skeleton Man.
R.I.P. Skeleton Man! Yeah!
R.I.P. Hostage. Just say Baby Shark and you will get all the way home safe.
Alright.
No more wieners. Solo man. No more wieners on the windows, guys. Baby Shark, baby Shark, baby Shark, baby Shark. Yeah, that's my song.
Oh yeah.
Follow me on SoundCloud, on yourmom.com, and on YouTube.com Premium X Plus 234.
And get your Elite Ball Knowledge polos at childrenofcon.com for $70.
Yeah.
Yeah.
McDonald's sponsor me.
Sponsored by McDonald's.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright.
Bye bye, Biggie Man.
Gosh.
What's another song we can sing?
I don't know. Well, we're going home now.
Yeah.
We're on the way home.
Going home.
Home now?
We going home
And get struck by lightning.
He's gonna get struck by that lightning. Oh yeah, he's gonna get struck by that lightning. Yeah. He's gonna get struck by the lightning. Yeah.
Oh my
He's
god.
gonna die.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know my ABCs. A B C D E F G
H I J K L M N O Q T X V R P 2 Now I know how to assault a grandma. My gosh, we are gonna die.
Wait, now we gotta sing it backwards.
Oh, we gotta sing it backwards.
C Y X W E U T S R U P O N M L K J I H G F E D C B A.
You lost me at X.
Yeah.
Yeah. You lost me at X. So, alright, one last turn and then we go back onto the main road.
It's a chicken! Chicken on the bus! Chicken on the bus! Chicken on the bus! Chicken on the bus while it's raining! Chicken on the bus! Chicken on the bus! Chicken on the bus while it's raining!
Chicken on the bus, chicken on the bus. I like my chicken on the bus.
Yeah, chicken on the bus!
Chicken on the bus,
Chicken on the bus while it's
Hey,
raining!
chicken on the bus.
Chicken on the bus!
Chicken on the bus.
Chicken on the bus while it's raining!
Chicken on the bus while it's raining. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Get electrocuted. Why are you flipping me off?
I'm not flipping you off.
He already knows your face. Everybody does.
So lightning? What's she say?
Scarlett has ran her hill. Gravel hill.
Oh yeah, I do.
Have fun. At least my shoe won't be getting.
All right. I think we're gonna hear lightning soon.
Lightning! Yo, Y'all ever see lightning while it's dry outside?
Yeah.
Look, ka-chow, ka-chow.
Oh, ka-chow. Yeah.
This is the chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Chicken on the bus. Chicken on the bus. Chicken on the bus while it's raining.
Chicken on the bus. Chicken on the bus.
Supposed to sing.
I forgot.
Chicken on the bus. Chicken on the bus. Chicken on the bus while it's raining. Chicken on the bus. Chicken on the bus. Chicken on the bus while it's raining. Yeah. Wait, let's sing the Yo Gabba Gabba song.
The Yo Gabba Gabba song?
Yeah. The party in my tummy. It's so yummy. Cause there's a party in my tummy. So yummy. So yummy.
Okay, that is stupid.
I love that song.
Yeah.
What's another song? What's the nursery rhyme? See the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse song.
The Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Come inside, there's drugs inside.
Drugs?
Who said that?
No, it's my little pony. She's skinny and focused. Turn up. Step
My little pony, my little pony.
Yeah, I don't like My Little Pony
My
that
Little
much.
Pony. I love the movie.
You love the movie?
I love the movie.
I like the Care Bears movie more.
Oh, I never watched no Care Bears movie.
You've never watched the Care Bears movie?
I like the Paw Patrols.
Paw Patrols.
I like Zuma. I like the green one.
Team Umizoomi, you mean?
No, Zuma. I like the Team Umizoomi too, but Zuma's the orange wiener.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
the wiener dog.
Yeah, and then the green one.
The green one, the trash person.
Yes, what's his name? His name's like.
Don't ask me. I haven't watched Paw Patrol since I was in the hospital.
His
and
name
high.
His name is like Crackhead or something.
Crackhead.
It's like crackhead that does drugs out of the trash.
Oh my god, that's just basically a homeless person.
Yeah, that's his name. His name's Homeless Dog.
Homeless dog.
Homeless Dog, and his power is finding needles in the trash can and using them to inject himself with heroin and then dying and then coming back to life.
Nice.
That's his power.
So as soon as I get off this bus, we're just gonna eat the
Look, it's a river.
It's a river.
Look at that river.
You got cleared out.
It's that river. Swimming in the river.
Bye, Travis.
We're just gonna drown ourselves.
All right, I don't think there's anyone else on. Is there anyone else on? Hello?
Wake your ass up.
No.
Cause it's time to do. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wake your ass up. Cause it's time to go beast mode. Wait, you know the song Peace is Nice?
Peace is nice.
Peace is nice. Peace is nice. Peace is better than chicken and rice. Peace. Nice. Peace. Chicken, rice. Oh yeah, that's my favorite song.
Oh yeah.
That's my lullaby I go to sleep to at night.
My favorite song is it's called
It's called You Peed Yourself?
No! It's called Seven Element.
Oh, sing it.
No, it's Fifth Element, not Seventh. It's either Seventh or Fifth Element. I don't.
Wait, I like the song The Herman the Worm.
Herman the Worm.
Yeah, I was sitting on the fence porch, slapping on my left beat, chewing on my bubble gum, chomp, playing with my yo-yo, doo-wop, watching the birds fly by,
Yeah.
and then along came Herman the Worm, and he was this big. I asked Herman what happened. He said, I swallowed one grape.
All right. See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
The grape of my elbow.
The grape of my elbow. Bye.